Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name alarm handle and with this drawing. We start by creating this revolving feature. Dimensions are 100, radius 7.5, spherical, diameter of 15, and this other extension 12 with diameter of 22. Sketch in the XY plane, line up at 100 plus 7.5. This is a center line, and we start with a line, but we create an arc. Press the left button of the mouse and go to the left. Now we have an arc. We go to this level, left, down, back here, back here. This line must be containing the center point. This is radius 7.5. This diameter is 22, and this is 12. Okay, fully constrained sketch, revolve, and we have the first volume. We see here a cut of 7.5, a double cut on 10 from this center. So we use the plane XY F7, we project this arc and we create a rectangle. This rectangle. This line is tangent to this arc. The distance here is 10, and this line contains this point, and this dimension is 15 minus 7.5 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical all the way with cut. Okay, then mirror of the last feature about the plane YZ. Okay, next is the handle, this handle with dimensions around here. You can see a new sketch in the XY plane, F7, and we draw a number of lines and arcs, I press the left button and I go here, then to the tangent, again press the left button. I hope this is horizontal. Yes, it is. Good. Then we apply some dimensions. This is 42. This is radius 13, as well as this. I take the dimension from here, then 5 millimeters between these 2 points, and here is 54 divided by 2. I apply offset of 8 and I connect ends, this one and this one. One dimension is missing. Let's see. Auto dimension, apply. No. This vertical must be placed on the same vertical with this. If I move this dimension, you can see the situation. Place coincident this line with the center line. And now we have a fully constrained sketch. The thickness is 7. Extrude, symmetrical, 7. Then we apply mirror of this last feature about this plane. Okay. We see here an angle of 90 for the end of this cylinder, and we have to select the plane. The plane is this one, F7. We project this and this, and we draw a line from this very point to the left vertical. The angle here is 90 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude. The only area close contour is there, so we apply cut, symmetrical all the way. Okay. Then mirror of the last feature about this plane. Okay. This part has a channel here ending tangent to this horizontal, and with this depth 5 millimeters to the center, 3 millimeters the width. We create a plane based on this and tangent to the cylinder for a new sketch. F7, and we draw a line. We project, firstly we project this line, then we draw a line from that line down to somewhere. Press the left button and go to the bottom, up and back to the vertical. This is radius 3, and this point is coincident with this point. We have a fully constrained sketch, but the radius is half of 3, my friends. 3 divided by 2. Okay. Extrude the other direction, cut, and the value is 15 divided by 2 minus 5. Okay. We hide the plane and we go further. There is a hole here with the diameter of 6.5. Hole, face, center, and 6.5 through the part. Okay. Another hole is this one with dimensions 8, 2.5 and 40. No angles. XY plane, F7, project the generator, and now we apply 2 lines, 1, 2, they are equal, and dimensions 8. Here 2.5 and the dimensions of 40 of this point. But we have to draw an axis this is center line and this is construction line. Finish sketch, revolve with cut. Okay. There are some fillets. Undimensioned fillets are radius 1. And dimensioned in the drawing are these 2, radius 6. Let's apply this. We activate fillet. We go here firstly with 1 millimeter, then plus also 1 millimeter to these 4 close contours, and plus 6 to these 2. Okay. It seems to be finished, this part. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update. copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is absolutely identical with the former one. Cancel. We keep the previous value because it is identical. The material is steel carbon. Then we go to View, Visual Style, Shaded, and Default Lights. Now if we compare the two, we see that there is no difference. Even if this has other features in other order, no matter. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.